5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
What you are hearing is the moment just before the launch of Apollo 11, the space shuttle housing the first men to set foot on the moon successfully. The air is heavy with anticipation, a collective breath held in the face of the unknown. It is a moment that reverberates through time, echoing the aspirations and dreams of an entire generation. And on July 16, 1969, broadcasted to over 650 million, the shuttle made its final descent onto the surface, where the three men inside would walk on the moon for the first time in all of human existence. The world watched in awe as they took those historic steps, their boots leaving imprints on the lunar soil, symbolizing mankind's boundless potential. Yet, since that groundbreaking achievement, apart from a handful of others visiting the moon, man has remained confined to the Earth, yearning to break free from the gravitational chains that anchor us. The dream of venturing beyond our home planet lingers, echoing through the corridors of imagination as humanity yearns to embark on new cosmic odysseys. The spirit of exploration burns within us, ever present, reminding us that our destiny lies among the stars. For decades, scientists have been searching for exoplanets that can possibly sustain life. These distant worlds orbiting stars beyond our solar system have captivated our imaginations and fueled our curiosity. The discovery of exoplanets has ignited hope that we may one day find a habitable planet, a second Earth, where life as we know it can thrive. The search for these celestial gems has been a relentless pursuit, pushing the boundaries of our technological capabilities and expanding our understanding of the universe. In recent years, advancements in space telescopes and observation techniques have allowed astronomers to detect and characterize thousands of exoplanets. Through methods such as the transit method, when a planet passes between a star and its observer, creating a shadow on the star, in radial velocity measurements, a way to determine how an object is moving either towards or away from an observer by analyzing changes in the color of its light, scientists have been able to identify the presence of exoplanets and gather information about their size, composition, and distance from their host stars. Among the vast array of exoplanets discovered, some have shown promising signs of habitability. The concept of the habitable zone refers to the region around a star where conditions might be suitable for liquid water to exist on the surface of an orbiting planet. Water is a crucial ingredient for life as we understand it. The identification of exoplanets within these habitable zones has sparked excitement and speculation about the possibility of finding extraterrestrial life. For instance, the TRAPPIST-1 system, located approximately 39 light-years away, has been a focal point of interest in the search for potentially habitable exoplanets. This star system hosts 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are within the habitable zone. Scientists believe that these planets could potentially possess liquid water, making them prime candidates in the quest for life beyond our solar system. The exploration of exoplanets goes beyond the search for life as we know it. It represents a fundamental human desire to expand our horizons, venture into the unknown, and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The study of exoplanets provides valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution, allowing us to gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. In our quest to explore and colonize other worlds, the challenges we face are immense. The distance between stars and the limitations of our current propulsion systems present formidable obstacles. However, as history has shown, human ingenuity knows no bounds. We have overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges before, and with each passing day, our technological prowess advances. Projects like the James Webb Space Telescope, launching in late 2021, hold the promise of revolutionizing our understanding of exoplanets. Furthermore, private space companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are making significant strides in the development of reusable rockets and spacecraft. These advancements are driving down the cost of space travel and making it more accessible. They are paving the way for a future where humans can explore and colonize other planets, turning science fiction dreams into tangible realities. The dream of venturing beyond our home planet persists, fueled by the human spirit of exploration and our innate curiosity about the universe. The search for exoplanets and the quest for interstellar travel are not merely scientific endeavors. They are expressions of our collective yearning to push the boundaries of what is possible, to expand our knowledge, and to ensure the survival and longevity of our species. The first manned shuttle to Mars is set to depart Earth in 2033. Accomplishments like this and the achievement of Apollo 11 prove that soon enough, mankind will travel to one of these exoplanets and begin a civilization apart from Earth. We stand at the precipice of a new era of exploration, one that holds the promise of discovering other worlds and unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. The dream of venturing beyond our home planet is alive and well, beckoning us to embark on new cosmic odysseys and reaffirming that our destiny truly lies among the stars.